Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a video of what's in my bird bag, and I don't actually have the bird food and my extra bowls. So those are actually downstairs with my birds right now, so yeah. But let's get started. So at first I have this big St. Jude's building. I can't reach. Research hospital bag. I just picked a random one. Not this pick. But yeah. So sorry. So at first, I have my Cuddlebone. Cuddlebone is really, really good, and my birds don't really use it. They kind of like get it and throw it in their food bowl and poop all over it. But I have Cuddlebone, and it's kind of broken up pieces. Next, I have a towel just in case I need to clean up their poop or anything, or clean around their cage. Next, I have a little tiny Tic Tac bag full of Sharpies, just in case I want to like Sharpie their cage whenever I'm bored, or just Sharpie their food bowls. Next, I have some millet in a little tiny bag. Next, I have millet in a bigger bag. And this is natural milk. And then I got candy covered millet. And then I have this little tiny hairbrush thing. I have some red nail polish. I wanted to paint her. Yes. I'm gonna have this dude. You can squish him. And he lights up. And then I have another one of those dudes, but he is red. He lights up as well. And I have this thing for their nesting box. They don't use. That they don't use. A little piece of Cuddlebone right there. That's kind of weird. A little perch. Some gloss for like their nails or beak. A pen, just in case I want like to write down something on their food bowl or anything, or their paper. A big spray bottle. And I have a mineral treat. They don't really use these. I don't know why I got two. It's kind of stupid. A few random pieces of Shakespeare's tail feather. New spawn, you never know when you're gonna need it. What do we see here? A little tiny hair tie that they play with. Nail polish, blue, green. I like the green. Is that all? I think I saw a tail feather. Yep, I see a tail feather again. I have 3 of his tail feathers. He does necessarily bite out his tail feathers. Yeah, okay, and I have this little tiny rainbow balloon bracelet because they like biting on it, chewing on it. Yeah. Comment down below. Bye.